Hi there, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk about another common question. How can I get the live links only for Web 2.0? Means because you can have web directories, you can have wiki, you can have plenty of different type of backlinks. If you're use like this one, I don't remember which diagram is this one. Let's check. Okay, the video and bending power. Okay, in this case we have plenty web 2.0. That's why it's so easy just to get from here. All these are gonna be those web 2.0. But let's check if we are talking about this is still running. But let's see if we are talking about another type of like this one with Wikipedia, with wiki articles, social bookmarks, profiles, and web. Okay, that means you're gonna see all these type of things around here. What you can do is just go here, okay, click on here, and you will have the URL. Okay, if you are looking for just the type of backlinks in a specific. In this case, someone asked me about Web 2.0 because he used another diagram with different, like what I show you with a wiki, profile, web 2.0, social bookmark, and so on. Okay, I hope with this is gonna help you to know how to going around Money Robot. Please let me know if you have any question. Um, you can contact me in different way by email, by telegram, by the chat because I'm the one who answered your question in the chat. Okay, I will be trying to help you in some way. Okay, thank you so much. Until the next one.